He does Triple H. Triple H's entrance music. It's time to play the game. Oh, that's all about the game.
And how you play it?
5 times, here we go. 1, 2, whoever's on top on the 5th spin is your winner of Barcelona. 4 and 5. Top is Liverpool, the Sinkers, 5 times. Let's see something cool. Liverpool, Dex Schwan. So you're going to do that, Robbie? You're going to start doing wrestling team covers?
I'm a headbanger.
Why? Virginius? No, Okafor? Oscar Blue? You know how many Instagram followers you could get and like people loving your stuff? 299 Kai Havertz. Believer. Look him up, Robbie. His name's Big Daddy Mark. Robbie's single is out 20th of September and he's going to let me play it on this stream. Christian Pulisic, Evan Ferguson. During the countdown. It's going to be the official song of the Cherry. Maybe. Rafael Leao. Yeah, let me play it. Disco Marcel Desailly. He's gonna let me play it right here on the Cherry stream. And not sue me. Galazzo's Zlatan Ibrahimovic, or I'll bash him. Ratkov. No one needs to hear that. Bad Shedic. Pulsar. Maybe if we raise a certain amount during the 24-hour stream this year, I'll release that. Christian Baumgartner. Oh, God. I can't believe I've just said that. Oh, no. Trey Gold. Theo Zidane. Me. For Real Madrid. You all right? Bueno. London Calling Isaacson rookie. Robbie. Malambo. Pink Future Stars of Julian Alvarez. Am I allowed to play your music over my live stream? Dranville, Wonder Kids. Is that allowed? Forbes, you're out. Doku. Your record company's not going to come after me? I'll play it during the countdown. Starboard debut, Sergio Aguero. Still waiting on our auto. And it's a goal. It's a 50 for Barcelona. Angel Alasson. Very nice. Silva Paqueta, Ramos, Soglo. Gold rookie auto. I mean, I wish it was Yamal, but you can't. Beggars can't be choosers. Choosers can't be beggars. And no, you know what? I was gonna say boozers can't be, but that other word sounds too rude. Mancini. Pink to 250, Mo Salah. Hamilton. The single's called Smile. See? We're gonna have a smile to start every stream. Paris Brunner. Okay, and that is UEFA Chrome 23093.